WordPress has positioned itself as one of the top website hosts for both business and personal use. It provides exceptional templates and allows for extensive customization of your pages. Yet with so many companies showcasing their services online, having a WordPress account doesn't guarantee you will stand out. In fact, even though WordPress is easy to use, you must keep your website up to date if you hope to attract customers. Don't know how to do this? WordPress maintenance services can help. Keep watching for why you need to explore these services to run a successful modern business online. Secure information. Every company has information it needs to protect, whether it involves personal details about employees, the payment information of clients, or anything else. You must make sure it's secure. Hackers find it easier to get into websites that haven't been updated. This means all of the personal information stored within your website becomes open game. Want to keep all of that secure? Use a WordPress maintenance service to keep your website up to date. Compatibility. Have you ever come across a website that just looks like something broke? Sometimes that happens when websites haven't been updated to work with the newest technology. The internet changes on a constant basis. Companies that create algorithms always look to improve them and make the user experience more seamless. Simply put, if you don't update your website, visitors using your site on the newest technology might get a faulty site. Speed. Want to keep people from clicking away? WordPress always tries to give its users the fastest possible experience. If your website is older, it might not run as fast. This becomes an issue because people now equate the internet with speed. Gone are the days when you'd have to wait for minutes for a page to load properly. Now, most people expect results a second or two after clicking on the page. The longer they have to wait, the more likely they become to click away. Customize your website. You want your website to work for you. Because of this, the site needs to evolve with a company. As you grow, you need the ability to customize it and add features on the back end. WordPress maintenance can do that for you. Updated plugins. Do you know how hackers usually get into websites? Via non-updated plugins. WordPress uses plugins to make websites highly customizable. Yet if you don't upkeep them, you might compromise your company's private information. Comprehensive WordPress services. Running a business means running a website, but you don't need to be a webmaster to make sure your site is safe, secure, and updated. Keep your site safe and carry on with your business with our WordPress maintenance service. Each week, we'll update your plugins and themes, create site backups, run security checks, and more. This is all done during off hours to ensure minimal disruption to your site visitors. Our web maintenance services help to safeguard you against website attacks, while continuous uptime checks and site backups ensure that you have the ability to recover from any outage quickly. So now that you know why you need to keep your website updated, you might be wondering how to do so. After all, you may not necessarily have the time or the expertise to keep the website going as smoothly as possible. Yet, as established, a great running website becomes central to your client's security and user experience. If you want to keep your WordPress website updated, then sign up for our WordPress maintenance service. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.